connect the display output of the graphic card to the VGA input monitor, you need to use display to VGA converter. How to connect the output of DisplayPort of new PC, graphic card and laptop to the old VGA monitor. Hello everybody, welcome. As you know, new graphic cards do not have a VGA port output. As you can see here, do not have VGA port. You see here, HDMI output, display output, DVI output, but do not have a VGA port. And old monitors, as you can see, have a VGA input only. To connect the display output of the graphic card to the VGA input monitor, as you can see here, VGA, you need to use display to VGA converter. Here, display to VGA output. Using this converter is very easy. First, connect the display port to the display output of the graphic card. That's good. Then, using a VGA cable, connect the VGA output of the converter, okay, to the VGA input of the monitor. That's good. Now you converted the display output to VGA for old monitor. Okay, my friends, as you can see, we converted the DisplayPort VGA card, you can see, to VGA port. And you can see here quality VGA output by display to VGA converter port. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much and goodbye.